In this video, we'll look at how to manage definitions in Drawing Explorer. We'll take some of these categories as examples, and show how their definitions can be controlled and shared across drawings. Let's start with layers. You'll see here that the current layer is marked with a blue circle. And if we turn on the Indicate Layers in Use option in the View menu, you'll see an icon indicating layers that contain entities. From here we can copy layers over to other drawings. To do this, we can select a layer, then simply drag it over to the drawing you want it copied to. We can also merge layers by right-clicking on a layer and selecting Merge to. And the contents of that layer are then merged to a layer in the same drawing. Let's go to Blocks. Here you'll see a list of blocks in the drawing that we have open. A useful function here is the option to change between the Detail view and the Icon view. In the Detail view you'll see a preview of each block, here, along with a number of block preferences and other properties. If we switch to the Icon view, we can see the blocks in the form of small icons, here. We could, for example, insert a block into the drawing from here without having to open it. To do this, double-click on the icon or right-click and select Insert. And here you can see the block inserted into the drawing. Let's go to Dimension Styles. You can edit dimension styles from the Edit Dimension Styles panel, here. Let's close the drawing panel for a better view. If you select a number of dimension styles in a drawing, the properties of all the selected styles will display next to each other. And you can choose to display only the differences between them by selecting the Show Only Differences checkbox. We can take the dimension style from one drawing and copy it to another drawing by simply dragging it over like this. And you'll see that the dimension style now appears in the drawing ready to be used. And this concludes our video on how to manage definitions in Drawing Explorer.